What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, we do have a price update, price prediction on this crypto called Selfkey, which has had a major increase in value over the last couple of days. As you can see, major green candles here only mean one thing, guys. It has gone up over 80% in value in the last 24 hours. As you can see, it's currently sitting at just above the 1 cent target. So we're going to be going through its next prediction. Where is it heading to next? Is it time to buy it? Is it too late? Or on the other hand, is it time to sell it and hold and take out your profits, or is it just time to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher? So we're going to cover both buyers and the seller's point of view, and looking at its prediction over the short term and long term as well. And of course, this may be a crypto that most of you guys may not have heard of before. Obviously, it's been around for a while, but because it's just started pumping right now over the last few days, most of you guys are getting into it. So essentially, that's what we're going to be going through. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you guys have probably realized, there's a slightly different figures on all websites. As you can see, Coinbase does show 0.016 cents and has gone up 134%. CoinMarketCap shows us 0.013 and has gone up 84%. And let's have a look at what Binance shows us. It is showing us 0.016 cents as well. So yeah, and this website here is showing us 0.016 as well. So as you guys can see, the market is up just about 0.8% in the last 24 hours, and we've got Selfkey as one of the top gainers. In the last hour itself, it managed to gain a massive 26%, and over the week it has done absolutely insane, guys. 324% in a space of 7 days, guys. This is crazy. As you can see, it all started off about 0.038 and right now sitting at 0.016, which has gone nearly over 3 times its original value, and over the month 357%. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by over 300%, making it $222 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money and a huge percentage increase, meaning way more people are looking into the project. So we are seeing a lot of investors, a lot of sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading it right now, and hence why the trading volume has gone up. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So at the top here, we've also got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Selfkey, which is at the moment here in purple at 0.057. However, we can see it trading at much higher value here in green at nearly 3 times, guys, at 0.01698, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that, guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, yes, we do have the blue and the orange line looking very bullish, very positive. However, they are looking too steep, guys, as you can see here, meaning it is not realistic. The only reason why it's looking so steep is because of the major increase that's taking place. What I am expecting over the next 12 to 14 hours, so let's say towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, is an overall minimal drop in value from Selfkey. Yes, I know it's been pumping so much, and yes, there's been dips in between as well. That's likely to carry on over the next couple of hours before it slowly starts to drop back down in value, down to about 0.013 to 0.014 is where I'm expecting this crypto to be trading at towards the very end of the day today. But in between that time, it's very likely that it's going to head to 2 cents as well over the next, let's say, 3, 4, 5 hours before it starts to drop back down. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days still looking very bullish, very steep, heading towards a bullish direction, meaning once again the MACD indicator is not realistic. Exact same reason applies here as well, but in this case I am expecting an overall increase in value from Selfkey over the coming 6 to 7 days. So let's say towards the end of this week, I'm expecting Selfkey to be trading around 2 cents, just above 2 cents is where I'm expecting it. that is because I'm expecting it to drop back down in value over the coming days before it slowly starts to peak back up in value to around the 2 cents target. So yes, do expect some red days and some green days, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side once it drops back down in value over the coming, I would say, about 48 to 72 hours. Do expect a little bit of red days before it slowly starts to pump back up in value. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, we're looking quite steep again, meaning it is not realistic, guys. So again, that's how much is pumped up over the last 24 to 48 hours, or even in the last week, guys, is done over 300%. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so in this case, I'm talking about early to mid-April 2023, I'm expecting an overall increase in value from Selfkey, hitting about 4 cents in target is what I'm expecting by mid to late April. However, that is only if it manages to maintain its value and maintain the green side of it, and if the crypto market manages to stay on the green side as well. Things like a major crash or a major bull run and a price pump can have major impacts, not just on the value of Selfkey, but the whole crypto market in general. But if there is such thing, I'll of course keep you guys updated on as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, so far so good for Selfkey. Unless you're in it for the short term, I would be very careful right now because I am expecting it to drop back down in value. And right now, if you're looking to invest for the short term, personally, I wouldn't do that, only because, as I mentioned earlier, I am expecting it to drop back down in value. And as you guys can clearly see, we are getting very close to hitting the 2 cents target. As I'm recording this video, the crypto keeps on pumping, and it was on 0.016 earlier. Right now it's heading to about 0.018, and over the next few hours we should be able to hit 2 cents in target and then potentially slowly drop back down in value. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Selfkey, guys. And as mentioned in the thumbnail, the 10 cents target is, it may look like it is far away from where it is at the moment. However, the way it's been pumping, guys, I wouldn't say it's too far away. Potentially over the next 3 to 4 months, we should be able to hit the 10 cents target. So by mid-year, approximately, Selfkey should be able to hit the 10 cents target, unless obviously there are other news or updates that can have an impact on its value. So what I want you guys to do now in the comment section down below is comment down below, when are you guys expecting this crypto to hit 10 cents? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. Is it going to be over the coming days, weeks, months, whenever it is? Let me know. And yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, comment, and all that stuff. And at the end of the day, it's free to subscribe. So why not go down and smash the subscribe button and like the video. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.